What's up, Southern Pride fam? And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a $25 Walmart fishing challenge, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm here at Wally World, and I'm gonna get back with you guys later once I get inside. What's up, guys? I finally made it here to this fishing aisle over here. It's a lot down here. So today's video, I'm gonna be picking out a rod and reel combo, line and bait for under 25 bucks. I'm about to see if it can be done. So I'm gonna go way down here to the fishing poles and stuff. All right, so these are the prices right here for these little poles. All right, so I'm probably gonna have to go with this Doc Demon by Zebco, $9.74. I've heard some very good things about these, some very good things. Yeah, it's perfect for tight spaces on docks, all metal gear, pre-spool with 6-pound test line, powered train drag. Pretty good for the money. In the cart it goes. Alright, so up next is gonna be baits. Baits, and baits. Soft plastics. I think I'm addicted. I think I done died and went to soft plastic heaven. So let's see what I'm going to get. Oh, I think I done hit the jackpot here. $1 on clearance. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. And everybody, just look at this. Whoa, from Luck Strike. Thank you, Luck Strike. I done hit my luck. Sheesh, look at this. You got tons and tons and tons. So I'm gonna get 1 pack of these. I'm gonna get some blues. I'm gonna get some of these right here, the watermelon. And 1 more pack. Let's see, something good. Something black. There we go. Boom. Black fire. Boom. Those are now in the bag. Alright, so since I got, so boom. Baits down, rod and reel combo down. Under 25 bucks. Yes, under 25 bucks. All right, so next is going to be the line. Don't know if I want to do line yet. Might do hooks. Hooks. I need those hooks. All right, so we are gonna get ourselves some bass hooks. $4.46. That's a good deal. That is a very good deal. They're assorted too. Oh, I've always needed some more of these. Ooh, still under 25 bucks. How is this possible? Hooks down, worms and bait down, and rod and reel combo down. Now, next up, I'm going to have to get me some sinker weights. Okay, now look at these. Boom, boom, boom. 94 cents. 94 cents. 94 cents. Boom, now look at that. Oh yeah, perfect. Bullet weights, perfect. They work like a charm. Bullet weights down. Okay. Think that I have completed this here $25 Walmart challenge. Think I have completed it. And I will get back with you guys once I check out. What's up, guys? It's final. I finally completed the $25 Walmart challenge. Thank you guys for everyone who's been liking and subscribing. Make sure to like, subscribe, share my video, and comment what challenge you want done next. Thank you guys for watching again, and remember, the world is your playground.